Good morning, class 6. Today again we have started chapter number 4, that is the fiber to the fabric. At the last time we have discussed the different types of the fibers. I am repeated again that portion. There are two types of the fibers. First one is the natural fiber and second one is the synthetic or man-made fibers. Natural fibers are those fibers which obtained from the natural source are called natural fibers, and these are two types. First, plant fibers, and second one is the animal fibers. Plant fibers example are cotton, jute, hemp, and the animal fibers that example are the wool and the silk. And the synthetic or man-made fibers are those fiber which is made in a factory from the chemicals are called the synthetic fiber. Example are nylon, polyester, acrylic, etc. And today we have learned the different types of the cotton fibers and their cultivation and their cotton fabric from the cotton fibers. We have start with the cotton fibers. Cotton is a soft fiber obtained from the balls that grow on a cotton plant, and cotton fabrics from the cotton fibers. The following steps are involved in the making fabric from the cotton fibers. Cotton balls, they are processed into the ginning, and to obtain cotton from the cotton balls they are divided into two parts. First one is the cotton seed and second one is the lint. After the spinning process we get the yarn, and weaving and the knitting process we have founded the fabric. Start with the cotton fabric from the cotton fibers. There are following steps are involved in the making fabric from the cotton fibers. First one is the ginning, second one is the spinning, third one is the weaving, and the last one is the knitting. Start with the ginning. This is the process of separating cotton fibers from their seeds, and it is the manually or by using machines are called the roller gin. And separating fibers from the cotton seeds was traditionally done by the combining manually, and after the fibrous material left separating the seeds is called the lint. And second one is the spinning. This is the process of converting the fiber to yarn. The process involved taking cotton fibers and twisting them together into a long thread called yarn, and after that the process involved and the yarns are pressed tightly and tied into the bales. And third one is the weaving. And weaving, it is the process of arranging multiple length of the yarn together to make fabric is called the weaving, and it is done manually or on handlooms, machine on the power looms. And a fabric is made on the looms by interlocking two sets of the threads at the right angles. And the last one is the knitting. The process of the making fabric from a single yarn is called the knitting. It is done manually or by machines. Sweaters, socks are made by the process of knitting, and the fabric obtained after knitting or weaving are used to the make variety of the cottons. Here I have mentioned some uses of cottons. Cotton is used to make bed sheets, sarees, etc. And since it is porous, it has good absorbing capacity. Hence, it is used to make clothes for summer so that they are absorb our sweat and keep us cool. And the last point is the cotton is mixed with other fibers to make rayon and the polycotton. And today I have bundle session, and today's your question is explain the steps involved in making fabric from the fibers. Thank you class, and we have meet in your next video.